How you guys doing? It's Mark with Extremeedgecustomkydex and Knives, coming at you with a new product for us here. It is the fold out lockpick set. It's really not huge. Let's see here. Looks like it's just about 3.5 inches in length and a little bit bigger than 1.5 inches. Totally extended, we're looking at 5.5 inches with the pick all the way out. Now, this is a fold-out set. It folds conveniently into there. Be able to stash it anywhere on your person. It comes with 5 different picks. Not a bad little product here. All folds down. Secures in with this little screw. Stops it from opening up in your pocket, losing a tool, or snapping a tool. Not a bad little gizmo. Convenient, small, easy to carry, multifaceted, useful tool. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. I appreciate you guys' support. If you want any more information on this product, you can email me at the email address provided below, or you can click on the website link that is below, and it should take you to my website, which we have this product for sale. Thank you very much. Appreciate your views, and you guys have a good day.